Hey guys, Bing here. Today let's continue this exercise. So yesterday we modeled this structure. And today we're going to model these mast. Okay. So first let's have a look at the base of this mast. So that's with 4 legs. Okay. So let's start. So edit this family. And I'll just set these to only showing calls and HH. So now we need 4 legs. Okay, so place point, set work plane, set on the vertical work plane, and drag it to roughly here. Okay, so we need another one and the other way. So this one I'll create an offset. So base offset 1, and this one will be base offset 1 negative. And because if you look at this image, so this offset is roughly twice as this offset. So I'll go to family types. I'll give this formula: base offset 1 negative equals negative base offset 1 times 0.5. So now roughly this. Okay, so now we need offset and create the 4 points for the legs. So draw on work plane, and I'll call this base offset 2, and also the other direction. So this will be base offset 2 negative, and go to family types. Base offset 2 negative equals negative base offset 2, and OK. So last 2, so 1 here and 1 here, this side. So this will be negative, and this one will be base offset 2. So now we have these 4 points, then we need one on this. So draw on face, and for this one I'm going to add a parameter, use segment length, and I'll call it base height. And okay. So now select these points: spline, reference line, spline, reference line, spline, reference line, and spline, reference line. So now for the profile, place 1 point, draw on face here, and then reference circle, draw on work plane, set work plane, pick work plane, draw the circle. So this will be the profile of the legs. So I'll type in maybe 300 for now, and I'll also create a radius. So base radius. Okay, so now copy and pick place new host. So we need another 6, so 1 for each leg. Then pick the point, pick new host, pick the point, pick new host, pick new host, pick new host, pick new host, and last one, pick new host. And then we can create form, and I'll leave for them for now. I'll create this shape, so this shape. Okay, so for this shape we will need three profiles. So this one, so the one here, and the one roughly in here, and the one on top. So point, draw on face, 1, 2, 3, and reference circle, draw work plane, and pick work plane, draw the first circle, and set work plane, the second circle, set work plane, last one. So create the radius dimension, and then create the, I'll call it R1 for the top, R2 the middle, and R3. Okay, so roughly I guess 400. This one 600 roughly. I'm guessing. Yeah, you can change it anytime, so doesn't really matter now. So, and then I'll create form and select this point. I'll place it here, so change that to segment length, and then link that to base height, which is this point. So looks like I'll drag this down here to roughly about here. Okay, and yeah, maybe I'll R1, R2, R3, maybe change this to 400. Yeah, maybe 450. So yeah, and then this one go to the top, which is 1. Okay, so then select this surface, and so from this image, that's roughly like a 30 grid, maybe 25 grid, and then vertically that's about 8. So go for each side, that would be 4, which means, or maybe 8, sorry. When I select one of them, that's 8. Oh, no, that's a bit confusing. So if you select both of them, you need to type in the whole number, but normally you will select half of the surface. So which I'm typing 4. Yeah, that's about right. Sorry. So now select both surface and change it to maybe 25. Okay, so that's it, and then go create a new family. Curtain panel pattern base, and circle point, draw on face. Just pick this reference line, and reference circle, draw on work plane, set work plane, set work plane, draw this profile. So this will be the profile. I'll create a radius, so let's call it radius R4. Maybe 75, and then select the profile and the path, create form, and then load this into that family, and then select this surface, and then change that to family 4. So now we have this. Yeah, and also for these legs, I just need to select them, filter out the reference line and dimension, only have those points, and then type in 1. So, and then the other 4 points, type in 0. Okay, so now we have this. Yeah. So let's load this into the not this one, into the project. Or no, before that, I'm going to select all these and put them, uncheck the calls. So when it's called, the detail levels calls, you won't see these. So you can select all of these and put them, uncheck the calls as well. And now load this into the project. So this will take a little bit time, and just need to wait. Yep. So this is it. So on the now it's median. So if I change it to course, so that's that median. Yep, you will see all these, and then you can always, because we have all the parameter for almost everything, so you can just tap select. So you can say maybe edit type, and then you can change, maybe for example I want to change the height of this base. So that's base height. You can change to maybe 6 meter, and then just wait for a little while, and yep. And maybe I want to open up a little bit the legs. Maybe, so that's base offset. So maybe 450. This 450 as well. Apply. Yeah. So, and if I want to move this mast to this grid, so you can also, that's I think that's radius or not here. So it's on the oh here, radius 227 apply. Yep. Yes, something like that. So yeah, that's it for today. So yeah, just quite simple modeling. Just if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'm not sure what we're gonna model tomorrow. Yeah, I'm not sure about all these, because we can quite easily place them just manually, adaptive family point, this point to that point, but I just can't find a way to make it automatic. So yeah, maybe Dynamo can, but yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not good enough to. Okay, so if you know how to do it, please let me know. Otherwise, I think that's pretty much for this exercise. Okay, so yeah, I will upload this family for you, and you can have a look, have a play. I'll see you next time. Thank you.